Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Triumph Bonneville SE. This is the classic Bonneville with the cool megaphone exhaust, mag wheels, two-tone paint, twin cylinder, 865 cc's of fuel injected power. Make your retro bike dreams come true. This beautiful two-tone orange and black paint scheme. Triumph's got all the style and all the character. Bar end mirror, Ori grips. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts, just $69.99 for this gorgeous Bonneville SE. www.contracostaps.com. Check us out where we have up to 30 to 40 clean, beautiful used bikes at any given time.